Hello, this is NAVIFORCE real watch displaying time. As you can see, here I have bring you its 4 small ladies watch, and it's a very simple and ultra small model for the ladies. Let's have a more detail about this watch style. As you can see, there are 2 directions the patterns combined into the dial. The upper is like a sunrise pattern, and the down pattern texture is like the wood looks pattern. And also, this watch only has 3 hands on the dial, and this is the small windows for the calendar. And also, as we can see, there are only a small crowns on this side to adjust the time. And also, as we can see, this is a special glass, and you can see here is the transparent seat. That means we can see from the front side or the back side. You can see here the pen it's under the watch, and we can see it. Okay, I would like to try this watch on my wrist for you have a look. Okay, here is the watch on my wrist. How do you think about it? It's a very small one. It's very suitable for you to combine to your dress, or go for a date, or for casual wear. It's very nice and simple. Okay, the next color is the blue one. Let's have more detail to look at this blue one. This blue one is the rose gold color case combine the blue color dial, and at 12 o'clock precision we can see is the rose gold color our logo, and here the hands also the rose gold color, and on 6 o'clock precision is the calendar small window. Also, this model we use the very soft melanine strap. It's a very popular strap in recent years because it's very comfortable and special hand fitting, and very soft and well fit for your wrist. Okay, the next one is the black color. The black one also it's the black color combine the rose gold case. The crown is rose gold too. And the hands and our logo is also the rose gold. And the strap is black too. And also we can see the model number is on the back case, and our logo here, NAVIFORCE 14. Okay, the next one is the best sell one, the old rose gold colored watch. It's the best sell ones in our official store. because it's a very nice and fashion color. Only the dial, it's silver. The hands, the case, the crown, and also the strap, the buckle, the rose gold. And this buckle is very easy to operate. This is very nice. Okay, this is all for this model today. If the colors you like it very much, please do not forget to go to our official store to buy the favorite colors you like. Okay, this is all for today. See you next time. Bye.